guys, namaste. How are you all doing? Welcome back to our channel, and today I've got very interesting and most delightful recipe for all of you, and it is blueberry muffin. The kids love this and it's one of the tastiest, most flavorful muffin. So let's see what is the process of preparing this. Right now in this baking process we have 3 steps. One is mixing of wet ingredients, mixing of dry ingredients, and the last one is preparation of crumbs. So let's see step by step preparation of all this process and enjoy baking with me. Firstly, I'm going to give a dry coat to these berries with the flour that I'm going to use right now. By doing so, what happens, berries would not sink to the bottom of muffin. In a large mixing bowl, take 1 cup of sugar, add lime and orange zest to it. Give a nice mix. Now add 2 eggs to the sugar and lime zest mix. With the help of hand blender, give a nice mix until all the ingredients are properly blended. I've taken 2/3 cup of olive oil and will be adding this gradually to the egg mixture and continue blending it with the hand mixer. Next step is to add buttermilk onto the mixture. I've taken 1 cup of buttermilk. Pour gradually into the mixture. Give a nice blend with the hand mixer. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and give a light mix. Next step is to mix all the dry ingredients. Get a mixing bowl. Then take 2 cups of wheat flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of table salt. Mix all the ingredients well. I'll be adding all the dry ingredients into this egg mixture gradually and simultaneously will be mixing it up. Now the mixture is ready. This is where I will be adding this coated berries into this and give a very light fold. I don't want to smash this berries into the batter. Just I'll give very light fold. And just let it aside, and meanwhile I need to make ready the crumbs. For crumbs, take 1/4 cup of butter, half a cup of wheat flour and half a cup of sugar. Mix all the ingredients and keep it ready. Crumb is ready. Also the oven is preheated at 350 degrees. Now I'm going to pour the batter into the muffin tray. The muffin tray is nicely greased. I'm going to sprinkle the crumbs over this muffin. Toss into the oven for about 30 minutes in 375 degree Fahrenheit. Most delicious blueberry muffin is ready. Hope you enjoyed baking with me. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe now and click on the bell icon for all video updates. I'll be back with one more interesting video. Until then, be safe, stay healthy, and bye-bye.